is July 1st, a deeply significant day across India as we celebrate National Doctors' Day. This special date commemorates the birth and death anniversary of the iconic physician and freedom fighter Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai. It's our annual opportunity to say a massive thank you to the real-life heroes who stand at the front lines of healthcare. But this year, the theme for Doctors' Day 2026 carries a profound message behind the mask: who heals the healers. Think about it. When we fall sick, we rush to a doctor. We expect them to be perfect, calm, and available around the clock. But behind that white coat and mask is a human being. Doctors carry an unbelievable mental and emotional load every day. They skip family meals, give up sleep, and make split-second life-saving decisions under immense pressure. So today, let's change the narrative. Celebrating doctors should not just be about acknowledging their skills. It must also be about advocating for well-being, their mental health, and safer, more respectful work environment. A healthier doctor directly leads to a safer patient experience. Take a moment today to send quick text, leave a kind review, or simply say thank you to a doctor you trust. Happy Doctors' Day to all the saviors.